Hey guys, happy Tuesday, happy 5th of May. Today we're gonna do up a West Coast style cheese quesadilla. We're gonna kick it up a notch with some of the Sassy Kitchen Queen's leftover ribeye steak chili. Stick around. All right, here we go, guys. So as you can see, we got the Cuisinart 360. It's a small grill, it's about 28 inches across, but you know what? I wanted to try it with these quesadillas because quesadillas around and so is this grill. I think it's a match made in heaven on the 5th of May. So let's get started. So what I'm gonna do here is take some of these flour tortillas, and again, I got this on low heat. And I just want to get them warmed up a little bit, okay? We're not looking to get them burnt or anything like that. That's my cutting knife. Okay, we just want to kind of get them warmed up here, either side. Makes life a little bit easier. There we go. All right, so now what we got here is some of Sassy's ribeye and beef-based chili with some potatoes in here. So we're gonna just get these on here, spread it out a little bit. I'm not gonna get too close to the edges because I know it's gonna squeeze out. All right, not bad, not bad. Okay, next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get some cheese on top. There we go. Oh yeah, cheese is nice. Lots of cheese, lots of cheese. Okay, don't skimp on the cheese. Okay, an optional method, you could probably put cheese on the bottom too, but that's okay. Now, as a bonus, fresh avocados off of our tree. And I'm just gonna slice those up and drop them on, spread them out. Okay. No particular order here, just wherever they might fall. All right, that looks good right there. Oop. It's okay. Okay, what I'm gonna do as well, because this is California, I'm gonna put a little bit of that sour cream on there. Okay, you see that? Now we're gonna cover it up right over the top, and I'm gonna press it down. I'm gonna move it a little bit closer to the middle and press. Now heating these tortillas up like this definitely helps out, toughening them up a little bit, making them a little bit durable. Okay, see that, how it's squirting out? That's what we were avoiding. I'm just gonna cover this lid. Pretty neat little lid here. Now we're just gonna count to 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 15. These lids are pretty cool because they have a little hook right here. It just hangs off the side like that. Oh, look at that. All right, that thing looks beautiful. All right, and now a trusty Dexter knife. We'll go ahead and chop this up a little bit. Just roll it right down the middle. Okay. Ooh, yeah, squeezing out a little bit. That's okay. Just kind of push it back. There we go. All right. And there we have it. Okay, let's get these things plated up. There we go, guys. I love this. It's got this little drip ring all the way around. You just push that off. And there you go, cleaned up. Nothing left for anybody to do except the dog, and that's clean it up. There we go. How do you like that? Get up here. Whew, it's warm out here. All right, guys, all we got left to do is eat. So it's good to let them cool down just a little bit. Let that cheese set up. Okay, guys, you can see a little bit of that avocado, a little bit of that sour cream just poking out there. That's where I'm gonna bite in. Oh man, that's great. You know what you could have done? What I could have done is put more cheese on the other tortilla before I laid down the chili. That's all right. It's a lot of cheese. Not everyone likes a lot of cheese. All right. These are great. And the dogs think so. Hope you enjoy your 5th of May, Cinco de Mayo, Taco Tuesday. If you like what we're doing here, folks, please like and subscribe to the channel. We love it when you share it with your friends. We'll see you on the next one, guys. Hey guys, happy Tuesday. Cheese. This first. Okay. What I'm all about for sure. Not really meaning to do this, all about the cheese, baby. You get a little bit of avocado action going here, baby. You know, I'm not really sure exactly why we have the Cinco de Mayo thing.